Hello friends, my name is Pat and I am going to teach you how to make a paper boat. We need a A4 size sheet to make it. Now let's start. We have to match these corners together like this. Now you have to fold it again and open it. Now you have to match this edge to the center crease and do the same on the other side. Now you have to take one sheet and take it till here. Now do the same on the other side. Now you have to fold it like this. Now you have to take this edge till here and do the same on the other side. Now you have to do like this, and now you have to open this like this. Now your paper boat is ready. Thank you friends, and please subscribe my channel Ninja Kids.